everybody, it's Michelle from Cruisin with the Coacmens, and I am up here in chilly Middlebury, Indiana, where they make the Coachmen Remotes. We're going to talk to you today about the 14R. It is a brand new remote that we know you're going to love. It is under 18 feet, coming in at about 17 feet 7 inches. It is under 2,800 pounds, so this is something that's going to get you anywhere. We've got a solar panel on top. You can add more to it if you want. We've got a controller inside this really nice size pass-through. Back here, we're prepped and ready to go for a ladder if you want to add it. We're prepped and ready to go for a backup camera. Now let's check out the best part, I think, anyway, the inside. It may be cold outside, but even without any heat on, it's warm in here, which is really nice. We've got an east to west queen size bed. We've got a nice dinette. This side opens up very easily. Just take this cushion off, use a finger hole and lift that up. You've got some storage under here, but obviously in a small rig like this, everything is compact, so you're gonna find in every nook and cranny something. Not only do you have the queen size bed in here, but the dinette will convert to a nice twin size bed for you. Moving over to the kitchen side, we've got 2 drawers. Coming standard is tire pressure monitor system. If you don't have this, put this on as soon as you get this remote or any rig you have, because it has saved our butts a bunch of times. Got 2 drawers here. Got a nice size cabinet that has a shelf in it, and then there's a lower area that connects to here with this drop down storage. Microwave, 2 burners to give you more counter space. I love this round sink. It's nice. It's a nice size for a little rig, but it's not so big that it takes away from the counter space that you need. 2 big cabinets up here. And then above my cameraman, we've got 2 big cabinets up there. Let's check out the rest of the RV if you flip sides here. So as I mentioned, we've got all of this cabinet space. And if you didn't notice it before, you know there's also the open cabinets above the bed. So we've got plenty of storage here. You've got this storage here. And then you've got a 12-volt fridge and freezer. It's a really good size fridge and freezer. And I don't know if you noticed, but you got this latch, so you know it's always staying closed. The other thing Coachmen Apexes and remotes are coming with is this Bluetooth speaker. You can take it with you. It connects to your phone. There's a charging port. There are 2 USB ports on this side, so it charges your Bluetooth, and you can set your phone on top and it'll charge your phone. All right, let's check out the bathroom. Inside the bathroom, that's a good size shower. I'm 5'6". And I still have plenty of headroom here. Your tankless water heater is right here, as well as your button for your tanks. This is for your tank heater as well. You've got a couple of outlets over here. I like the mirror in this compact space. I like that it's a longer mirror. A lot of times they cut mirrors off here. I like that this is a longer mirror. So, and then of course do the toilet test. There we go. I got plenty of knee space. This is wonderful. It's a compact rig, but it will get you on the road right now, today. And honestly, it's the best thing you can ask for. Thank you for taking this adventure with us. We hope you check out our other Coachmen Remote and Coachmen Apex videos. If you have any questions, make sure you leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.